Today we're at Trinity Grammar Q in Melbourne. The whole idea of this project was to put some custom bollards around the fence line perimeter, which is to provide further protection to the school area where the children are playing in the playground, but also provide some BR900 stainless retractable bollards. We went through the process and we did some scanning prior to find out where the services were located prior to drilling, and found out that the area was riddled with electrical cable and services. We had to get City Power involved, and their recommendation was that it's okay to proceed and do that with a non-destructive drilling company, which is pretty much water pressure that blasts out all of the dirt and so forth. We've actually hit a few speed bumps today. Sometimes you can never account for. We've actually hit some rock with the non-destructive drilling, and are looking at potentially hiring the services of a rock drilling company to come in to pretty much crack the rock so that we can presume drilling down to 1200 mil deep so that we can finish the retractable bollards off.